Hey guys, welcome to another video. So, instead of going to the store buying your own dinner rolls, I challenge you to make your own. And that's what I'm showing you guys today. These are so fluffy and delicious, so let's just get started. First, we are going to prepare our yeast mixture. To our warm milk, we're going to add in some water, melted butter, and sugar. I'm going to get my fork and give this a mix. Now we're going to sprinkle over our yeast. Let this sit for about 5 minutes so the yeast can start blooming. We're gonna mix together our flour and salt. Just gonna mix it with my fork. We really gotta mix the salt in with the flour because salt can kill the yeast, and I'll actually put a link in the description of a video telling you more about it so you can be more prepared. Your yeast mixture should look something like this. If it's not and you don't see like any yeast blooming, then you gotta start all over. In a bowl, we're gonna whisk together our egg. Add our beaten egg to our yeast mixture. And we're gonna stir that in, and then we're gonna add it to our dry. And just keep mixing all this stuff together. Here comes the fun part. Add our dough to our counter. Sprinkle over some flour. Don't forget, you guys, the recipe is in the description box below if you wanna follow along. And when I knead, I kind of bring it up and then push. And I kind of just do that over and over again. Give it a spray. We're gonna add in our beautiful dough. Cover in plastic wrap. Now we're gonna put it in a warm place for an hour. So see you then. All right, it has doubled in size. Now we're gonna plop out our dough. I'm gonna give it just a quick little knead. This dough will make about 16 with my bench scraper and cut it in half. Cut it in half again, one more time. Once it is circular, transfer it to the pan. Now I'm gonna cover these rolls. We're gonna let them proof for about 30 more minutes. Guys, that's it for this video. They look so good. Looks so delicious. Oh, that steam. All right, stay tuned for videos every single Saturday, and we'll see you next time.